Do you want to spice up your video background so viewers are not just looking at a boring blank wall? I've been using a boring blank wall as a backdrop for my live streams lately, so I decided to change it to make it more interesting. In this YouTube video backdrop tutorial, I'm going to outline the benefits of having a great backdrop for your video and then give you different choices of different backgrounds you can use for your video. Stay tuned to the end where I show you the setup for my current backdrop. My name is Herman Drost from DrostDesigns.com. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, hit the subscribe button and click the bell icon so you'll be notified whenever I publish a new video. So why change your current video backdrop? Number one, it makes your video more interesting. If you've ever been to a music concert or seen one on TV, you often notice they have a great backdrop that enhances the music that they're trying to perform. In the same way, having a great backdrop in your video reinforces the content that you're trying to convey to your audience. Number two, add some atmosphere. Instead of viewers just watching yourself talking against a blank wall, having a great backdrop makes it easier for them to consume your content. Number three, impacts your story. Having an interesting backdrop in your video keeps viewers engaged in your content. Instead of just listening to your content, they have something interesting to watch. Here are 7 YouTube video backdrop ideas. Number one, outdoors. The great benefit of being outdoors is you have natural light and great scenery. The downside is that you're limited by the weather conditions, whether it's raining or snowing. The best time to shoot videos outdoors is when it's overcast or at the beginning or end of the day when there's not so much sun around. An alternative to filming outdoors is to shoot video while you're driving your car so you can make use of the scenery that's flashing by. Number two, painted wall. If you have some empty space in your garage and a blank wall, you could paint the wall any color you like. If you painted it green, you could use a green screen. Number three, room background. You see many YouTubers using their bedrooms, lounge, or kitchens. If you have a room that's not too messy, you can use that as a backdrop. The downside is that you may have to clean up a mess every time you shoot a video or make sure you have no visitors. Number four, green screen. The great benefit of using a green screen is that you can replace the background with any kind of scenery. It could be the beautiful beach, it could be the mountains, or even a city skyline. The downside of the green screen is that you need a green wall or green sheet, and then you need lots of light shining on it. You also have to have the right video editing software to replace the green screen with your scenery. This can be a little bit tricky and takes up a lot of your time. Number five, virtual sets or virtual backgrounds. If you use a green screen, you can replace it with a virtual background or a virtual set that you can purchase online. The benefit of using a virtual background or virtual set is that it looks very professional. The downside is that sometimes it doesn't appear very natural because the background is not aligned with the content. Number six, muslin sheet or sheet of paper. The great benefit of using a sheet of paper or muslin cloth that you hang on the wall is that you can have a consistent background. I've been using a grey muslin cloth as a background for my regular videos for several years. The beauty of muslin is that it doesn't easily tear or wear out. The downside is that you easily get wrinkles on it. Number seven, tapestry. Recently I changed the backdrop of my live stream videos from a boring blank wall to a tapestry. The great benefit of using a tapestry is that I could choose from many different scenes. You have brick tapestries, forest tapestries, beach tapestries, and many more. Everything is here to suit any kind of taste. I finally selected a brick wall tapestry. The beauty of this tapestry is that it was easy to pin on the wall, it's easy to remove, it's washable, and was very inexpensive. I only paid approximately $20 plus tax and shipping. A few cons is that it's not quite big enough to have a full-length person in it or to have several people in it. The largest size this company has is 8.5 foot long by 6 foot tall. Initially I had to include the door of my room in the frame. To just have the brick wall tapestry in the frame, I had to move my desk back towards a wall. I also just used one ring light to illuminate myself and the brick wall. I'll place a link in the description to the company that I purchased this tapestry from. Now you know how to quickly, easily, and inexpensively set up a beautiful backdrop for your next video. Let me know in the comments below what backdrop you are using for your current video. I'd love to see them, and I'm sure others would too. If you want to live stream on YouTube from your mobile device, click the card icon to download my mobile live streaming checklist. You'll learn the secrets for mobile live streaming on YouTube for beginners. If you want to grow your audience on YouTube and generate traffic, leads, and sales on autopilot, click the round subscribe button below and check out the related videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.